Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to protect your WhatsApp web privacy using a simple browser extension. First, open your Chrome browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Privacy Extension for WhatsApp Web and press Enter. Next, locate the extension and click Add to Chrome to install it. Once installed, you'll see the extension icon appear in your browser toolbar. Now open WhatsApp Web and scan the QR code with your mobile app if you haven't logged in yet. Once logged in, click the extension icon in your toolbar to open its settings. Here, you can configure several privacy options. Start by enabling Screen Lock. Set a strong password. This ensures no one can access your WhatsApp messages, even if they use your computer. You can also selectively hide details like user or group names, profile pictures, message previews, media, and the text input area. Adjust these settings according to your preferences to keep prying eyes away. And that's it. With these steps, your WhatsApp web conversations are now much more secure, giving you peace of mind when using public or shared computers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.